So over here, if I were to go around and make a selection, then I can see the selection right here, as you can see right here. But if I want to go ahead and hide out the selection, then you can go around onto view right here and then go around onto show right here and disable out the selection, and you don't see the selection anymore. But what you can also do is you can go around onto view and then show the selection once more, and the selection is not deleted, but it's still there. Apart from that, the same goes with the path as well. So if I were to go around and create a path right here with a pen tool, let's say for example, then I can see the path. I can see both the selection and the path right now. So I can go around over here onto view right here and then go around over here onto show, and I can disable out the path as well. I can also go around over here and then enable out the path, and I can see the path again. So this is what you have. Apart from that, you can also go around and show out something called a pixel grid. That means if I were to really zoom in right here, then you can start seeing the grid right here, which is in isometric format right now. But I'm going to go around over here onto edit, and I'm going to go to preferences right here and then choose the grid to be square. And you can see the exact grid right here. That is the square pixel grid right here, as you can see, just like this. But if I were to go around over here onto show and then let's say for example disable the pixel grid, then you don't see the grid division anymore, but you see pixels that are linked up with each other. So let's just go around over here and then go around for grid right here, that is the pixel grid, and I can see the grid once more. So that is how you can go around and show the selection, path, and pixel grid and hide them out as well inside a Photopea as you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.